let's make it! Elsa Castle cones for ice cream sundaes. Welcome to the Let's Make It channel. Today, we will be making Elsa Castle cones for ice cream sundaes. So our supplies today are some silver ball sprinkles and some blue Elsa sprinkles and some silver Elsa sprinkles and some snowflake sprinkles. See? We'll try one more. One more. And maybe one more. And we have this little kinds of glitter. It doesn't taste like anything. Let's see. No, it tastes like plastic. And they have this edible spring glitter. That tastes weird. Wait, let me try it one more time, but I might like it. And we have some cones here and it's gonna be a special surprise. And I have these silver Elsa cones, but they don't really taste good. And some white chocolate chips. First, melt your white chocolate with a spoonful of coconut oil. Microwave your melted white chocolate for 15 seconds at a time until they are melted. Once your chocolate is melted, it's time to decorate it. So first, get your Elsa cone, dip it into your white melted chocolate, and then sprinkle some of your sprinkles on to your plate, and then dip it in, and we made it. And then you can decorate it however you want. Just sprinkle it in. Ow, that's okay. It didn't burn me. It's just a little warm. I'm making a surprise for you. Once you put this scoop of ice cream on it, people won't know there's sprinkles inside it. Put the bottom in the cone for an extra special treat too. I dipped it into my candy melt. And then I dipped it into my sprinkles. And I made it. It's almost time for a taste test. Yummy. Once all the sprinkles are filled up inside, once you put the ice cream scoop on it, nobody will know sprinkles are in it. So let's put the ice cream scoop on it. Ask Gordon to get you a scoop of ice cream. Put your sundae upside down into a little bowl. Just sprinkles on top of it if you want. I am. Oh my, that's so fun. Now it's time. twinkle surprise. It's time for the taste test now. You should come out this food. It's a frozen dessert. My favorite part is eating it. You can make a bunch of cones, but I'm just gonna eat this one. I hope you loved our Elsa surprise castle cones for ice cream sundaes. They're so yum. Make sure you like this video, hit like, and subscribe to the Let's Make a channel. Bye, I hope you like my video.